Start by making sure that the saw is off and remove the cover. Next, use wrenches to loosen up the nut holding the saw blade on and remove the nut carefully by hand. Carefully remove the blades and put them inside their case. Flip up and remove the key from inside the brake and wiggle out the brake. This time, I remembered to install the smaller brake first. Once the brake is in, you need to put the key in. It only goes in one position, and then flip it down to lock the brake in. For a normal saw blade, you just need to make sure that the teeth spin the right way, towards me in this case, or else it won't cut anything. Next, put the washer and then the nut on. Make sure that the nut is on very tightly so that the saw blade doesn't even have a chance to come loose. Using the blade spacing adjustment gauge, I make sure that the blade is just the right distance from the brake. To put the dust collector on, I flip the lever on the clamp up and put it in the clamp, then flip the lever down to lock it in. Finally, put the cover back on, and we're back to a normal saw blade.
And I'm sure this is the part where I'm supposed to beg you to like and subscribe and all that, yada yada. Do it if you want, don't if you don't.